Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a new essay and patriotic poetry writing competition conducted in the mygovernmentinnovation.com platform. So let us see more information about the competition. This competition is open from 21 January to 30 January. So only 10 days is the commemoration of the competition. So less period time. So this is the home page of the competition. So let us see from one by one. Also they have given in Hindi also. So let us see about introduction. The Ministry of Education, Government of India in association with Ministry of Defence is glad to announce an essay and poetry competition for school students. So this competition is only for school students. This competition is being organized to celebrate Republic Day, popularly known as Ganantra Divas on 26th January. So India became a republic on 26th January 1950. So on this day the Constitution of India was implemented in our country by removing the Government of India Act 1935. So on this celebrating this great celebration conducted in 26th January 1950, this patriotic and essay competition was organized in My Government Innovation page. So to celebrate the soul of Republic Day while adhering to COVID-19 protocols, Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education and Government of India in association with Ministry of Defence has organized online essay and poetry competition, patriotic poetry competition during the period of 28 January to 30 January on My Government platform. So let us see about the themes and essay of the patriotic poetry and essay competition. So there are nearly 4 themes for both essay and poetry writing competition. There are 4 themes like Indian Constitution and Democracy, Struggle for Independence, Warriors of Indian Independence, and the true meaning. Fourth theme is the true meaning of celebration of Republic Day. You can use any one of the theme for your essay or patriotic poetry competition. So guidelines of participants: the essays and poetry competition for school students of classes 6 to 9. So note this, only for students from classes 6 to 9 from schools level CBSE, National Board or KVS, Kendra Vidyalaya or SCRTs or state level or UT, Union Territory. So from any board they can participate. Any students from any board can participate in this competition. So the word limits of essay for each theme: the essay should be within 1500 word limit. Within 1500 word limit, you should complete your essay. The essay should not exceed the word limit. This would lead to disqualification. So if you exceed the word limit, that is the 1500 words, you will be disqualified. So make sure to note this point. So word limit of patriotic poetry competition is 100. So more than 100 words if you use, you will be disqualified from the patriotic poetry competition. So mode of submission. So the participants should submit the write-up PDF in PDF file format only. So first you have to register in this platform, My Government platform. If you have already registered, you can directly go and register to this competition, which means once you completed the essay or poetry, you can go and register and submit, or else you can also save it as draft. I will show it in the last part of the video. Just watch fully. So write up text and should be submitted in readable font of Hindi or English. So it must be either maybe Hindi or English. Only 2 languages are permitted. Font size should be 12 for English and 14 for Hindi. 12 for English font size and 14 for Hindi, and line spacing should be 1.15 only. The line space should be 1.15. Make these adjustments correctly. So entries must be in either Hindi or English. So already told, they have also given in Hindi. So important dates: the start date is 20 January and the last date of submission before 30 January. You have to submit your entries. So terms and conditions: this competition is open to school students of classes 6 to 12 only. So if you are the school student of between classes 6 to 12, then you can participate in this competition. All entries must be submitted on My Government platform. The entries should be original. Copied entries will not be considered under the contest. So it should be your own entry. Don't just plagiarize, or anyone infringing, they will be disqualified from the competition. So also you should not just copy paste from any websites or any other external sources. So it should be meant to you. So the participant must be the same person who has written the write-up, and plagiarism would not be accepted. So it should be the same person who had registered and who had written the essay. participant to make sure the My Government profile is accurate and updated, since would be using for further communication. This includes details such as name, photo, complete postal address, email ID and phone number. Entries with incomplete profiles would not be considered. So update your My Government profile if it was like updated long back. So it's the same things for patriotic competition, like the same things. Only 6 to 12 only participate in the patriotic competition. 12th standard student only participate. So like you should not copy or infringe any of the part from external sources. So now can see of criteria of selection. The criteria of selection is simple. Selection of the best essay or poem will be taken up at two levels. Firstly, SCRTs, the state council committee form a committee and to examine the entries at the state level and select the 10 best entries. So from each state 10 best entries will be selected. So the selected 10 essays or poems from each state will become a pool of selected essays or poems for final selection at the national level by a team of experts. So first they will select at the state level, and first they will select the 10 best entries from the state level, and the next those 10 best entries from each state will be sent to a national committee. From those every entries received from the state, they will select the top 3 from each team. So all the entries received with the due date will be placed before a selection committee for final selection. The decision of the selection committee will be final and binding on all the contestants. So this is the selection process. So the certification is nothing. So I think so they have not given the English translation. It says that just the awards will be announced later, and you will receive a participation of certificate in collaboration with NCERT and My Government. Both NCERT and My Government, you will receive a certification of participation. The awards will be announced later. So let us see like how to register in the competition and how to submit our entry. So friends, now if you see here in the top of the page, competition page, here you can see register now. Click that register now button. It will just redirect you. Students, I have come to the section, personal details section. You can fill your personal details here, like name of the student, email ID and name of your school, mobile number. You can select your class. Here you can see like 6 to 10, 12 grades can participate in this competition. They have given all the grades, and you can also select your school entity, whether it is government or private organized, private based, and if you should select which board are you from. They have given the states, and they have given the common boards, ICSE, CBSE, everything. So you can, if you are from union territory, you can also select the union territory and select your district. If you are from, select the district are you from. So if you can also save it as a draft, and you can continue with this step. If you give this submit and proceed, next step will be like it will just ask in which competition are you participating, like patriotic competition or essay competition. If you give essay competition, then it will tell to submit the entry. So that is the last step. So only 2 steps ahead, which is so simple. I think so it is not so compulsory to show you. So friends, I hope so you understood like how to participate, how to submit your entry, and the details about the competition. You can go through. I will give the link in the description in the My Government link. You can go through the terms and conditions. You can go through this fully once before you just start to write the essay competition. If you feel tough with writing the essay or any poetry, just watch demo videos which is available in Google, or you can watch demo videos in YouTube. So improve your knowledge. Share this video with your friends who are interested in essay competitions and poetry writing. Like they may be interested in essay and poetry writing things, knowledgeable things. Subscribe to our channel for more information, more valuable information like this. I hope so you will like the video, and comment below your questions, comment below your suggestions to be made on this video, or comment below your questions regarding this competition or any other competitions conducted in My Government. Thank you friends.